Hi, I'm Brian Wall, transmission engineer at OPPD. We're between Virden, Nebraska and Falls City, Nebraska on a 69 kV transmission line. Today the crews behind me are installing airflow spoilers, and they are devices to keep the line from galloping during ice and wind events. Galloping is a phenomenon that when the wind blows and there's a little bit of ice accumulation on the wires, it tends to create an effect where it's sort of like a jump roping effect where the wires start slapping together. And when that happens, the transmission line basically trips itself out, becomes de-energized. So they can tear apart some of the poles and insulators. So what the airflow spoilers, the wraps you see off in the distance behind me, what they'll do is they basically disturb the wind blowing across the iced wire and keeps it from bouncing as much. And so then the line will stay in service during those weather events. We've been using Brink constructors to install the airflow spoilers barehanded. The transmission line is still energized, which means it is still in service.
We'll bond onto the wire using the insulated top section of that boom and tracking the current flow down the boom there.
It's only dangerous if you do it wrong. It's completely safe if you do it right.
Always drove by linemen up in the air when I was a kid, said, hey, that's pretty cool, so I figured I'd give it a shot and kick the fear of heights to the side and haven't looked back since. Hearing the noise of bonding on every day sounds awesome.
We chose Brink constructors to do the methods here of the energized and bare hand work, so we wouldn't have to take the line out of service, and keeping it in service is a way to maintain good level of service to our customers, Falls City and Virden area.